What's going on, everyone? We're going to do a quick video here on a Friday after the market closed. Today is July the 7th. Now, what we're looking for is Tesla into next week. I want to show you guys a big potential trade that could be setting up here. Now, we did have an initial spike off that first 5-10 minute candles on Tesla, and then we pretty much just bled the rest of the day. Our levels to the top side still remains the same over today's highs. What we're looking at though into next week is a potential back test that where we can get in and potentially make some fantastic money to the downside. Now, what I want you to look at is yesterday's candles, July the 6th. Look at that wick right off the 5-day moving average and look at today where we closed, almost at the bottom of the range, yesterday's lows. And today, in fact, we closed right on, in fact, just slightly under that 5-day moving average. What I'm looking at here is a clear channel level below 272.60. That level has a huge gap to fill around 264. This is the short trade. Again, this video is not going to be very, very long, but this is a short trade that I'm looking to take. It will be my #1 watch next week for Tesla if we start to confirm. Now, what I want to point out is that if we gap down below this level, do not be hesitant to take the short position. What we need to see is a new low being put in below 273, 272. We need that a little bit of a bounce, and then we need to see that confirmation. So typically I like to stay out. If we do gap down, I like to stay out of the market the first 30 minutes, and then that new low below today's and yesterday's low prices here on this channel below the 5-day moving average, I'll look for that to confirm, and I'm going to look to sell into profits somewhere between 266, 265, 264. Again, our measured potential is 263.57, which is this rising 5-day moving average. We've also got the 20-day moving average sitting at around 260. Now let's look at the weekly time frame to see if we're kind of correlating and matching up. Again, inverse hammer candle here, just kind of floating in outer space on the weekly time frame below 272.73. We've got room down to around 264, 263, and then our rising 5 on the weekly is at 260. So it's matching up perfectly. This could be a trade where we can potentially make a lot of money, a lot of money, depending on your account sizes. Again, don't rush into the trade. Let it confirm. Let's take a quick look at the 4-hour time frame here. Let me know in the comments below how you guys did this week. I would love to hear it. I think everyone in Evolution Traders in my community had a pretty awesome week here. Again, matching up on the 4-hour as well. 273.86 has room down to 266, 267. So we're matching up on not only the daily, we're matching up on the 4-hour and the weekly. If this short position confirms, we need to jump all over. Again, make sure you're managing your position sizing. You don't want to, bet the house on it. You don't want to bet your wife and kids on it. But again, stay safe, manage your risk, trail it on the 5-minute, use those 20s, those 5s, those 10 SMAs as kind of your supports, to kind of give you an indication of when to get out of a trade if it does fail. If we look at the last hour candle here on Tesla, all the way up at the top of the range here at 11 a.m., had some potential over this Bollinger Band over 280 into perhaps 281, and then anything over that was open skies all the way to 286. Not saying that we had to get to 286 today, but we did have potential here. Never got there, never confirmed, in fact, reversed. So as you can see, we closed below this 1-hour channel level here. We've been holding it the past 1, 2, 3 days ever since we had the big gap up. Okay, so since Monday we held this whole range, and this is the first close below it. So if you just look at the 1-hour time frame, below that 273, we've got room all the way down to 271. Anything below 270's got room down to 263. That's a 1-hour time frame. This is subject to change come Monday market open. But again, just wanted to kind of give you guys a little first insight as to what I'm looking at and how we could potentially make some huge money next week trading Tesla to the downside if it confirms. Again, if you guys want to trade with me, you guys want to learn how I trade over at Evolution Traders, make sure to go to evolutiontraders.com. You guys can sign up, one-time fee. You guys get access to myself each and every single day, where I'm kind of doing these live technical analysis breakdowns. I'm giving you my watch list. You get access to both of my video courses as well as the live chat with everyone else in there who's trading, so you can become a part of the community. I'll see you guys on the inside.